In this leg of our trip, we test out our MacGyvered brake cable, visit a Harvest Toast with full hookups, and a gorgeous vineyard, plus Mike starts his vacation. We are getting ready to go. I still have to create that brake, which is what Lucy's playing with right now. What else do we have going on here? I have Desi, who's already in his crate. He likes the security of it. I got Rudy, already sleeping. I was flipping his tail, so he's not really sleeping. Patches, over there in the corner. We still have to bring the slides in. It's also really crying. Mike's got the camera up. She's busy playing with that. Mike is MacGyvering a brake cable for the Toad. We think it's going to work. I won't have to follow Mike and the Toad. This is great. Woohoo! He's hoping. It's not happening. You're going in the RV today. We are getting ready to leave. We got the doors open. Here he comes, Toad in tow. I speeded this up 500%. This leg was a nightmare to secure. Since we stayed on Friday night and they wouldn't be open on Saturday, he asked us to please make sure it was locked before we left. So that's what we were trying to do. I couldn't get the lock around the chains and get it to lock. It kept coming apart. So finally Mike came out and helped me. I was beside myself. Well, that ordeal is finally over. Let's get on our way. And we're off. On to a Harvest Toast. We're heading towards Hodges Vineyard and Winery. It's a Harvest Toast. It's down in Alabama and it's about 2 hours away and about 95 miles. So it should be a nice easy run. We've got a gorgeous day. Looks pretty. This is officially Mike's first day of vacation, so we're really looking forward to relaxing. This place is actually supposed to have full hookups, which is really unusual, and the first night is free. Cool. Lots and lots of back roads. Time for a fuel stop. This was supposed to be a pilot, but I don't know.
You see, this is it?
This is it. Apparently this is now an Exxon station. Always makes it more interesting. And our little seems to be working. Took us through a whole bunch of little back towns, 2 main roads, so now we really need gas. Now we're at this gas stop. We got the air conditioning on for the cats. Let's see. There's Daisy. What happened? What happened to your stupid pillow? My sweetheart. Oh, baby boy. Yeah, how's everybody doing good? There's my Rudy. Hi. Is Patches back there? No. Is Patches back there? No. Is she back there? Can't see. Alrighty. Whatever.
What if I could just curve around now?
You should be able to turn around right here, right?
Yeah.
Left to Georgia 219 North, then take the first left. When possible, make a U-turn.
Oh, this was ugly. We had to make a U-turn, and Mike had to back up ever so slightly to try to not hit the curb. Not fun. But we're on the road again.
One mile, take exit 58 on the right. Turn right on US 280 West.
The instructions on the Harvest Toast website said not to follow the GPS, to follow their instructions, which is what we're trying to do.
Turn left on County Route 188.
It's on the other side, yeah. It's,
Make sure here, right? Hopefully.
yeah, 3 miles on this road.
That's what I had.
Keep right on County Route 72.
My instructions said to go straight, but we wound up going right. But we found it anyway.
Arriving at Hodges Vineyards and Winery on the left.
There's actually 2 ways in. The back way in is actually all paved. All this is not. Don't do what we just did. We decided to unhook the toad first and then be able to drive up the road just in case we were going the wrong way. And there's the 4 pads with full hookups. Woohoo! This is nice. This place is gorgeous. Beautifully landscaped. Really, really, really nice. I'm gonna go get the toad, pull it in front of the RV just in case anybody else is coming tonight. Okay, we are here at Hodges Vineyards and Winery. Sure enough, 4 pads. We took the last one over here. And a nice view. Looking at the windows here of the vineyards, which is quite pretty. A little bit stressed as usual. But we're here now. We're here now. Hi guys. You don't care? You don't care, Lucy? Oh. After we plugged in and we got everyone settled, we decided we were going to go to a wine tasting. So we walked on in. It's a beautiful little room. They had wines of all kinds. Very, very cool. We tasted a lot of samples, and then we picked out a couple glasses to have there, and then we bought 4 bottles of wine to take home with us. What a great evening. Everybody got a little nervous. It's okay, babies. I saw this big truck pull in with this gorgeous 5th wheel. It's a Berkeley, it looks like. Really, really nice. This is our view. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? There's pine trees, a little pond over there. Lots and lots of vineyards. Absolutely gorgeous. After all of that, we were absolutely exhausted. So we fed the cats, fed ourselves, and on that note, good night all. Good morning. It's another travel day. It's a gorgeous morning. It's Sunday, so we're not in a big hurry, and we decided we're going to take Anza for a walk and explore this beautiful place. Okay, this is a pretty place. Yep. It's 4 pads, full hookups. On the last one on the end. This looks like it's a banquet hall. We have weddings here, all these nice little wild roses. Over here is where they have bars like that. Really pretty area here. And there we are back there. Let's go check out the pond. This is a beautiful place. Pond's a little low at this time of year, but still really pretty. And it's the end of September. Nice and quiet. We got 2 other RVs here. It's Sunday morning, so we're not in a huge hurry to Mike's playing with the drone. Yesterday we went into a nice little bar in here where we could do wine tastings. And Donna seems to be very knowledgeable. She asked us what kind of wines we liked. Do we like dry wines, sweet wines? Do we like red, white? And she came up with some great offerings. It was a wonderful experience. Of course, we went back and crashed. Here's some of the drone shots Mike got, and here's some of the beautiful vineyards that they have, and the grapes. It's just a gorgeous place. While we were in the bar yesterday, there were a couple people that came in to do pick your own. It turns out you can actually pick your own grapes at this place. That's pretty cool. It turns out the people that own this place also own 2 campgrounds. The lady said one was just sold, but that's why they have full hookup sites here. I think that's a fantastic idea. What do you think, Daddy? Huh? It's pretty, isn't it? Alright, time to move the truck out and hitch up. Our way to Gulf Shores. Woohoo! It's a gorgeous day. It's already a little warm out. Okay, Mike's pulling the motorhome out. I'm going to drive up behind him and we're going to hitch up. And that's as far as it's going. It's pretty warm out. Turn the generator on. And now I'm going to turn on the air conditioning for the cats and for us. Alright guys, let's turn on. What do you think, huh? You look comfortable. Okay, what do we got now? I got Desi Lovebug right there. Lucy left. Where'd she go? Go behind here. Yeah, I see a paw. And Patches is up there. You guys are doing good. Alright, let's see. RV front row. Yes, please. It says no power. Turn the power on. It's got a cool 79, which is perfect. So it actually works pretty well. Yeah. There we go. There's the Okay, you want to do that? Where is he? Left blinker, right blinker. His radio is no longer working, so that is why we are doing the old answer. Never a dull moment. Alright, we're off to Gulf State Park, Alabama. Yeah, there he goes. And we're off. On to another leg of our journey. This should take us about 4 hours to get there. In our next episode, we go to Gulf State Park in Alabama. We check out the white sand beaches, the miles of trails, their nature store, the local restaurants. Some are right in the state park, which is cool, and of course, lots of hiking. This was a really amazing state park. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune into our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We'd love to hear from you. This was an amazing park. We put this on our top 10 list. You just have to go check this place out. Have a good one.